This fire alarm was chirping, one chirp every minute about, and I was thinking I need to replace the battery by opening this compartment, taking the battery out and replacing the new one, which I already did. Old one was from July of 2023, but it still didn't stop chirping. Then I realized that there is 2 reasons that I need to do it in order to fix it. And one is to reset it, and other one is if my unit is 10 years and older, I need to replace whole unit. But in my case, this is about 3 years, and then I will need to do reset it. To reset it, I'll need to take the battery completely out and then press this button, test button, for 10 to 15 seconds about. Press and hold, and you heard that first chirp telling that reset process started. And after 10 to 15 seconds, I will release it, and that will be it, what it takes. So now this second chirp is telling that it's probably done, but I'm going to hold a couple of more seconds and then release it and put battery in. And that will be all what it takes to reset the unit. Reset is necessary because sometimes this unit thinks, because of some buildup inside of the unit, that battery is not replaced. So hopefully this will fix the problem. I didn't know about this. By researching, I figured it out, and I wanted to record it for somebody else out there to be able to do the same. I hope it helps somebody, and thank you for watching.